Have you ever wanted to capture body-worn footage with extreme discretion and ultra-high quality resolution and still look good simultaneously? This body camera is for you. Recording in 4K resolution with a completely hidden camera, even James Bond would marvel over this innovative quality spy watch. With a battery life of 60 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to record and capture what's needed. This hidden body camera is super easy to use. You'll press and hold the top left side button for 1 to 2 seconds and it'll start recording in incredible 4K resolution. Click that same button one more time to stop the recording and save it, of course, and put you back in standby. So now we're going to head to the back and show you everything that it comes with. So here we got the box, and of course we got the recorder. So we're going to pop it out and I'm going to show you kind of the unit itself. So we have the camera on the face, we have our on and off switch up here in the top left, we have the function key, and then we have our hidden microphone. So that's just your general watch function, the little knob, and then you'll just notice it's a very nice sleek design on the unit. So I'm going to show you the USB charge port here. Sorry for the kind of blurry image, but that's just a general USB port. And of course, I'm going to show you everything else that it comes with now. So we're going to take out the little inliner here. And we'll notice first thing we have is the USB charge cable. We use that to charge and download information off the device. And next, of course, we have the manual. And now, so I'm going to take you up front and I'm going to show you exactly what the watch looks and sounds like.
Hello everyone, so here we are on our retail storefront. We're going to go ahead and give you a quick quality demonstration for the 4K Ultra Spy Watch. So keep in mind, all the video and audio you are currently about to see and hear is being recorded by the watch itself. So,
how you doing today, Chris?
I'm pretty great, and yourself?
I'm doing good.
Alright, today we're doing a quality demonstration test for our 4K Ultra Spy Watch. As Dominic said, everything you are hearing and watching is coming straight from this awesome watch itself. So, right back to you.
Fantastic. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
And of course, if you did appreciate the content, don't forget to like and subscribe for future review videos.